How you doing, guys? Up on the new Mammoth Tower. What do you think of it? It's a cracking view, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let's have a nose. What are we looking for today then? Spotted anything interesting? Not yet. It's a fantastic structure though, if I can just steal you for a second, Mum and Dad.
Yeah, it is. It's impressive. It looks lovely, and we hope to be able to see some migrating birds.
You were saying that you can sometimes see the birds flocking together.
Yeah, the murmurations of the starling. Also,
Is that the yeah? Shh, we'll say it was Erin. It was a heron, we can superimpose one.
murmurations around there as well. Yeah, last year there was loads.
So this platform is a fantastic addition, really, isn't it, to the reserve?
Opens up a new view of the walk.
Fantastic stuff. Well, thank you guys. I'll let you continue looking.
Right, thanks.